Welcome students! In this particular section, I'll show you how much money I was able to make on eBay using the methods I'll be teaching you in this class alone. How would you like to make the same or even more amount of money? If you do want to make it, join in this class and I'll teach you every method that I used to make this kind of cash. And you can do this as well. On eBay itself, I made about 1,066 transactions, which earned me to be a top-rated power seller on this awesome website. In the past few months, out of 188 transactions that I did, I was able to make $5,800. My total sum of money I was able to make is $20,000, and that's out of 625 transactions. Let me show you now my AliExpress profile. This is my profile on AliExpress. As you can see, I bought items on it. AliExpress is the same site as Alibaba. This is just one place out of many that I want you guys to know. You don't want to get everything and sell it from AliExpress or Alibaba. You want to get your sources from multiple different locations. You're getting the best kind of products that are going to make money for you. So you can make almost as much as I did, or even more, if you implement the same exact methods that I actually used myself.